All right, language explorers. Let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So, behaved, the way they act, behave, act, to act, out of character, to act in a different way than you might normally do, to act in a different way than you might normally do. Yeah, to behave out of character. To act in an unusual or different way, unlike normal. Not normal. Unlike is not normal, not as usual. Not as usual. Different. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, he behaved out of character last night. What was different? What happened? Why? What happened? He might behave out of character when he hears this news. Yeah. She often behaves out of character. She often behaves out of character when she sees him. She sees him. How cool is that? He behaved out of character last night. Yeah. He was not normal last night. He was different. He was different. Yeah, just different. Yeah. She might behave out of character if she saw him. Yeah. When I go there, she behaves out of character because she is happy to see me. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. Do you think they behaved out of character? I think he behaved out of character because he was uncomfortable in that area and with them. He was out of character with them. It's possible. Yeah. It's possible, yeah. Yeah. It would depend on his psychology. Yeah. Depend on the psychology. Not sure. There's a lot of factors. There are a lot of factors, yeah. Yeah, it depends, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, behaved out of character, different than how you normally might behave. So, can you use behaved out of character in a sentence? Comment below and like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. You can also find me by searching for Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.